Google's Vice President of Southeast Asia and India head Rajan Anandan has said that while the government is doing a lot of things for startups, it needs to do a lot more in improving connectivity. Chandra, we are facing our issues with connectivity over here, right here on the show as well. And he also says that we need to improve the ease of doing business in the country as well. Let's listen to that conversation.
Execution is 90% of the game, right? So, it's very easy to have ideas. You and I both have, and everybody has lots of ideas. So it's about getting it done. I think with tech businesses, tech companies or tech startups, the important thing is to start with something that you think is real, i.e., it's not just copying something that you've seen somewhere else, but a real pain point that you felt or that, consumers or businesses that have, and then start building to that. And then, launch quickly, iterate, learn, and then adapt, right? So what's very important is start with something that's real. So the idea is important, but more often than not, the eventual business that you're going to build has nothing to do with the idea that you started with. But the fact that you're able to build quickly, launch, learn, iterate, will eventually lead to a good business. So as you look at that sort of framework, execution is far more important than the idea. So getting it done is what it's all about.
Yeah. And finally, Rajan, the government has been doing a lot about improving the ease of doing business. This week we saw the GST finally go through. Anything else that you need to be that you think needs to be addressed as far as taxation is concerned? Because MNCs still find some of the clauses quite difficult, and especially GST. I think IMA said literally puts the internet economy under the bus. So anything that you would suggest or that you would want from a Google perspective?
I think there are lots of things that the government is doing. I think that are very, very positive, right? The huge focus on startups, huge focus on Digital India. But if I take a step all the way back and say what are the most important building blocks, right? Connectivity is very, very important. We're the world's largest slow internet nation today, right? So how do we become a fast internet nation? That's very, very important. I think for innovation, right, it needs to become much easier to start companies, to close companies, right? So it's still an ease of doing business needs to improve. I think we're getting much better at ease of doing business, but we still haven't broken into the top 100 in the world. So we need to become, it's still impossible to sort of close down a company, right? And most startups fail. So how do you do that? And then you get into, I think, some of the specific financial regulatory areas, whether it's tax, whether it's content regulation, and so on and so forth. And I think we need to, this is still a very early industry. I think it's important that we do things to grow it as opposed to start trying to derive rents from it, right? Because the minute you start getting into deriving rents from it, you essentially trade off sort of growth. It's still very, very early in the industry, and I think it's important for us to encourage the hyper growth, continue to encourage the hyper growth of the industry.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.